Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to simply remove and completely delete your Yahoo account on your phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on settings right here. Now the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you look for users and accounts. So click on that. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you look for the Yahoo ID. So I'm going to simply click on this Yahoo account and it takes us right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on remove account and follow the prompt. With that, you will be easily to simply delete and sign out from your Yahoo account on that particular phone. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.